Imagine a world where forests are thriving, biodiversity is rich, and ecosystems are in balance. This is the vision we strive for when we talk about the future perfect tense of forest conservation. By setting goals and taking action today, we can create a future where our forests are vibrant and healthy, providing countless benefits to both people and the planet. One key aspect of achieving this future perfect scenario is setting clear conservation goals. For example, countries around the world have committed to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which include targets for forest conservation, such as halting deforestation by 2030. By setting such ambitious goals, we can work towards a future where forests are protected and restored, ensuring their long-term sustainability. To illustrate the importance of setting goals, imagine a community in Brazil that has set a goal to protect a certain area of the Amazon rainforest from deforestation. By working together to enforce laws against illegal logging and promoting sustainable land use practices, this community can ensure that the forest remains intact for future generations to enjoy. As a result, the Amazon rainforest continues to thrive, providing habitat for countless species and regulating the Earth's climate. Another example of setting goals for forest conservation success is the establishment of protected areas, national parks, wildlife reserves, and other protected areas play a crucial role in safeguarding biodiversity and preserving important ecosystems. For instance, Yellowstone National Park in the United States has been a pioneer in conservation efforts, setting a precedent for other protected areas around the world. By designating these areas for conservation, we can ensure that forests remain intact and provide essential services to society. In conclusion, setting goals for forest conservation success is essential for creating a future where forests are thriving and ecosystems are in balance. By taking action today, we can work towards a future perfect tense where forests are protected and preserved for future generations. Together, we can achieve this vision of a world where nature is flourishing and humanity coexists harmoniously with the earth.